Hey guys! In this release you will see two old trucks from the Second World War. The first truck is GAZ-AA. The second truck ZIS-5. Now I'll tell you a bit about the history of the truck GAZ-AA. On May 31, 1929, the Supreme Council of National Economy of the USSR and the American company Ford Motor Company concluded an agreement on technical assistance in organizing the mass production of cars and trucks in the USSR. Ford A and Ford AA models were chosen as prototypes for production. Already on January 1, 1932, the Nizhny Novgorod Automobile Plant NAZ became operational, and in the same year, the first 1.5-ton truck, the NAZ-AA, rolled off its conveyor. Later it gets the name GAZ-AA. And now we will tell about the history of the second truck. Soviet truck ZIS-5, characterized by high reliability and ease of maintenance. The ZIS-5 truck was produced from 1933 in Moscow at the Stalin Plant ZIS, and found the widest use in the army, transportation of people, cargo, artillery, mass special modifications used in different spheres of military life. The engine, a metal double cabin and a wooden platform with a loading capacity of 3 tons are mounted on an elastic frame on the ZIS-5 car, which, when driving on rough terrain, worked as a spring. A 6-cylinder carburetor engine with a lower valve arrangement was installed on the ZIS-5. The engine was easy to start in cold weather and worked on any kind of gasoline. Subscribe to the channel, comment on the video and click on the bell.